Hey, hello everyone. This is Business Plus. I spotted a signal on BOM 1000 index for a buy now. I've got in a trade for BOM 1000 index, and now let's see what happens. Now, apart from the fact that you are checking for the trend, all right. Apart from the fact that you are checking that, what else do you need to do to make sure that it's going? Now, at this point here, we have higher high, right? Then we have another here. Then you have to check for the lower low. All right, I'll start from this point, and we have another here. But mind you, we are on M5 time frame. Now let's go to higher time frame and see exactly what we have there. Higher time frame of 15. Boom, still the same thing. Now let's go for M30. Now on M30 we are having the same thing. All right, yes, we are having the same thing, which on M30 we can also spot this as another zone. You see, so it's cool. Now what I will do now is I will pause this video and check back to see the profit of this trade looks like. Then I'm gonna shed more light on this. All right, so we are M30 time frame. Then let's go back to M1 time frame and see exactly what we're waiting for M1 time frame. Now let me remove all the arrows. So I've removed all the arrows and the lines. All right, so now we have a pure plain chart. So we're waiting for the trade to come to profit now. So guys, let's hold on and see what this is gonna give us. And probably before we go, we might have a spike up. Right now, let's say the first spike will look like this. I'm measuring from this point here, then I drag it here. Okay, that's how the first spike should look like, something like that. But if we're not having it, but I know 100% on this that a spike is gonna happen, and it will not be too small spike. But if the spike is very small, then we have to wait. That's part of the strategy. Okay, so we have to wait till we have a very long spikes, and especially if you notice that your trade is trending up. All right, it's trending up like this. You have a trend up trade like this. All right, you have it like this. Okay, then if you're having something like this, right, then let's go back to M1 time frame. Then you now have a smaller spike like this. Mind you, that's just happening to take you out of the market. But what you need to do is to wait. Okay, and you might even having something down like this. What you just need to do is to wait. Okay, then before you know it, boom, you have something like this. So I'm gonna pause the video now and let's wait for the result of this entry. So you can see, so this is example of what I was talking about. You see, a spike wants to happen around here, but it didn't happen. All right, so we just have to wait for another spike that's gonna put smile on our face. All right, so you see, the system recognized that there should be a spike here, but you can see it starts playing us, but we wait. All right, some people will think, oh, this is the spike that ought to happen, but it won't happen again. Then boom, they were out. All right, but I'm gonna wait. All right, because I've studied this and I knew how it's working. I've checked on all other conditions for this. The spike might happen. The spike might happen, and the probability that this spike will happen, it's very high on the good side, right? It's very high. So guys, I've came back from the break, and as you can see that this trade has came in profit. All right, so trading is very easy. All right, very easy. Just make sure you master your trading plan. Okay, so this is what we have here. All right, this is very easy and interesting. So I'm just gonna think if I should leave this trade to give me more profit, or I should just exit from here. And this has given me something that's making sense. So it's very, very interesting. Now, if you should check on M5, let's check. I can see more potentials on this that is still gonna go up. Yeah, I'm seeing more potential that is still gonna go up. I think. Now let me go to lower time frame to check out something more. So guys, I just want you to learn from this. All right, and let's set something here, which this point will be our take profit. But I'm just trying to check if this will not go in loss before it start coming back in profit. All right, so I'm just gonna check M1 time frame. Boom. Yeah, there is possibility that it's gonna go back in loss. Guys, let's take profit here, and provided if another spike should happen, then we are fine. And before I go, let me explain something for you. You know, I pointed at this point at this candle the other time, this tick the other time, that it shows that it will give us something massive, but we have little spikes, number of series of them, then it came in profit. So we're still winning. All right, it's a good thing to win. All right, so guys, take care and bye bye for now.